Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Bitcoin's price has been rallying and many analysts think that we are going back into a bull run. In this video, let's take a look at what's been happening with the macroeconomic sentiment, the latest in the crypto markets, and where we think the Bitcoin price is heading. Risky assets like Bitcoin and the tech-heavy Nasdaq index put in an unexpected positive performance on Tuesday. This happened because Treasury yields went higher and the Federal Reserve's concerns were also revived with regards to CPI data. Now, as you guys know, rising bond yields makes the cost of borrowing more expensive. And naturally, traders move towards safer assets such as fixed income securities, and they move away from riskier assets such as Bitcoin and tech-heavy stocks. Well, that's at least what we saw in 2022. But in 2023, on Tuesday, the Treasury yields jumped 12 basis points. And even though this happened, Bitcoin was up 2%. The US CPI data for January showed that inflation slowed. But the cooling trend did moderate, which has caused traders to expect another interest rate hike around June time, around 25 basis points. QCP's Capital Markets Insights team told CoinDesk the following. Risk assets are following implied volatility, which sold off heavily following the CPI release. We guess the thinking is as long as the Fed doesn't panic and go back to the 50 basis points, we are in for a slow ride, which equities can stomach, especially if it's a period of strong growth with high prices, which will still benefit equities through higher earnings. Now, the Nasdaq has been showing bullish trends. Many analysts are saying that if this bullish chart does continue, it will trickle over to the crypto markets and Bitcoin could rally to $56,000. And you know what's interesting? This was said by an analyst who correctly predicted the late 2020 bull run that took place right after the crash when the pandemic took place. And this analyst said that 2023 could be a surprisingly good year for both crypto and equities. So stay tuned for that. I must say the recovery that Bitcoin has shown has been unexpected, especially given how bad the second half of 2022 was for cryptocurrency prices. I mean, BTC has rallied around 50% in the first 7 weeks of the year. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we're currently sitting at $24,838 for Bitcoin. And many of the other altcoins have also rallied given this momentum. We're also seeing evidence of mass adoption. Dubai is one of those places that has really taken in crypto with open arms. I was lucky enough to visit Dubai during the bull run, and when I went to the crypto expo, there were actual companies that were selling houses that people could buy using Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. In fact, Cointelegraph visited a grocery store and a luxury car club to see how crypto has been adopted in Dubai. In fact, they say that day to day, one of Dubai's most popular and affordable grocery chains announced that they are accepting crypto payments last year. And then on top of that, crypto is coming to luxury cars. A luxury project called the Elchai Group is bringing luxury cars to the decentralized community through NFTs. So the NFT collectibles era has not ended. It is actually only just beginning. And also guys, I have shown you the rainbow chart on this channel before, but let's take a look at where we are at on it. This is a logarithmic scale of all the cryptocurrency bull runs. And you can see the prices on this axis. Basically, the red shows that it is maximum bubble territory. So that's when we see the prices skyrocketing and we see huge all-time highs and pretty much crashes that take place very quickly after that. And in the blue territory, it's when we see major crashes. So you can see in the bearish periods across the years. This is the bearish period from 2015 to around 2017. Then we saw the next bull run. But if you notice, the bearish periods are getting shorter and shorter, and the lowest points are not as low as they've been in the past. For example, this bearish period has not lasted too long. We don't know if it's going to swing back downwards. My prediction is that it will go back down in June, potentially, if the inflation data gets worse and the Fed increases the interest rates by 50 basis points. But according to the rainbow chart, we are in a good price territory. So around the blue area, it says it's basically a fire sale, and that is usually the time people are supposed to accumulate because the prices are heavily discounted. But again, remember that is not financial advice. This is just based on the rainbow chart. Now, there has been a lot of crackdowns from the US onto crypto companies, especially given the FTX fiasco and then You know, they're cracking down on a lot of companies that went bankrupt so that they can retrieve consumer deposits. And also, something I didn't expect, crypto giant Binance expects to pay penalties to resolve US investigations. Yeah, the DOJ have been probing into this cryptocurrency exchange, and as you know, Binance is the biggest exchange. So if they are going for the likes of Binance and they win, this could be huge for crypto. What I really like as well, that in my last video, I talked about the CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, that said he would defend staking services in court for Coinbase if he had to. So these are huge crypto exchanges with large reserves that are used by the masses. And if the SEC are going after them and they are willing to put up a fight and they do win, that could be huge positive developments for the crypto industry. So guys, that's a quick update on what's been happening in the crypto markets. Are you guys still bullish? Do you still believe in the ethos of crypto? I do. So if you do hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video, as a lot of the information is time sensitive. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!